Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to receive and request money on both the PayPal website and then using the mobile app. Before you do this, make sure that your PayPal account is completely set up and verified. This includes using a good email address and adding and verifying your external bank account. This will help avoid any possible delays if you get paid large amounts of money through PayPal. To request money using the website, you can do this a couple of different ways. The first way is to have the person sending you money send money to your PayPal email on file. They can do this by going to paypal.com and logging in. Once there, they can go to send and then enter your email, username, or contact number. Once they choose that and enter the amount that they want to send, they can continue with the transaction and you'll receive the money in your PayPal account. The other way is by you sharing with them your paypal.me link. Head back to the PayPal homepage and then choose the settings gear on the top right. Inside of here, under your name, you'll see the PayPal.me link. Choose manage and you can customize the link if you like. Now if someone wants to send you money, just give them this link, the paypal.me/your username, and when they go to it, they'll automatically be able to request or send money to your PayPal account. On the PayPal mobile app, the process is basically the same. Once inside of the PayPal app, the user can then tap send at the bottom, enter your email at the top, choose how much they want to send, and then finish the transaction. If you want to initiate the request, just go into your PayPal app, tap request at the bottom, choose the other PayPal user, and enter the amount requested. And finally, you can also text over your paypal.me link to somebody, allowing them to follow through the link and send you money through that. Hopefully you find one of these ways useful and easy to request and receive money on PayPal. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.